Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a customer to a sale or an invoice, or how to assign a customer to a sale. So there are two ways that we have. This can be done at the point of sale, or it can be done in the sale or invoice profile. And we even have a third option, which is almost same as the second. That is within the invoice. So while creating an invoice or a quotation, you can add that. So you're going to look at these particular two main areas of assigning a customer to a given sale. So the first option at the point of sale. Before you make any sale here, you have got this particular window that appears. But then I'm not going to make this sale, but then there's something here. There's an icon selling from a respective store. Then there's this particular icon for user. So if you just click on that particular icon, it will give you this particular option. I can search for the customer if this is a repeat customer, or we had him registered earlier in our customer database. I can search for the name here. It will give me that particular customer. Alternatively, if this particular customer is not registered, then we have got this particular option. I can enter the customer name. I can of course request for their mobile number and of course their email. So what this will do, it will automatically create this particular customer into our customer database and assign them this particular sale. So that is the purpose of this particular form. So just to know is that the first option allows you to select an existing customer. The second option allows you to register a new customer. What happens if the phone number or the email has already been used before? The system will know that particular information and it will not register this as a duplicate. It will just auto assign this particular sale still to the customer whose details are already registered. That is the phone number and the email. So that is the first option. The second option is in the sale profile. So I'll go back to home and then go to sales. I've got some sales here. I'll just open this particular sale, and then we have this particular change customer. So initially we see that this particular bill was just for walk-in customer. Walk-in client is just anyone else who we don't know their bio information, or we never collected their information. So I can change this to any other customer by just coming down here and clicking change customer button, and then I'll search for an existing customer. I can select Mighty Frank and then just hit save changes. So the system will pick Mighty Frank details, and this particular customer is in the customer database or the customer registration list, which is found in the system users. We have got customers. I'll open that here, and I can get Mighty Frank already registered here. If I need to edit their details, I just click on action, edit their details, and add more information which maybe I didn't have before. So that is how to assign this particular sale or change customer within a sale profile, or even assign customer to a given sale. So that happens especially if the waiter failed to do this at the point of sale, or you came and realized this particular customer needs an invoice or a receipt containing their name. Then you'll have to come here and change that from walk-in client to this particular customer. Or if the waiter or the person who was doing this particular transaction might have selected a wrong customer for this particular sale, then the admin or the person who has got the privilege can still log into the system and change that particular customer within this particular profile and through the procedure we've seen. So thank you, and stay tuned for our next videos.